How to buy gift cards on Flight Club. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can buy gift cards on Flight Club. So kindly go along with me and see if it's possible to buy gift cards on Flight Club or not. So as we all know, Flight Club is a unique website where you can get amazing sneakers at affordable prices and different kinds of sneakers, beautiful sneakers online. So if you want to get sneakers, Flight Club is your best shot, right? And so unlike other e-commerce websites, whenever you go to the top right corner, you'll see some icons like sneakers, you'll see accounts, you'll see cards and all of that. And then by the time you click on my account, on in the drop down menu that is often displayed, you'll see other options like my orders, support, sign in, log out, gift cards, etc. But as you can see, for Flight Club, it is not like that. This is because at the moment, Flight Club does not offer branded gift cards. All right, it is not offered yet on this particular site at the moment. Okay, but if you want to redeem or get gift cards on or if you want to redeem or use gift cards on Flight Club, you can try getting gift cards from other sources, from other sites where they sell customized gift cards. And then after getting those gift cards, you can use them to make payments or make payments on your Flight Club account. But as of now or at the moment, Flight Club branded gift cards are not available. So that is it. I'm sorry, but once it's available, I'm sure you'll be able to get Flight Club branded gift cards and use them on the site. So thank you for watching and have a good day.